Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming a very exciting video. It is going to be the introduction to my 2021 Rolling Project Tin Pan. So if you are interested, just keep on watching. Okay guys, I'm really excited to start off a new year of project panning. So definitely stay tuned. I have a lot of things I want to work on this year. So let's just get started with the products I am beginning the year with. The first one is my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. And I have so little of this left, and I just want to finish this. I did draw a line on the back. I go through foundation pretty slowly, so even though there's a little bit of this left, I could see this still taking me probably 2 months to finish. And I think I'm going to be updating this project pan every 2 months. So my usage goal on this for the next update is to use this 20 times. The next product I have is also from Too Faced, and it is a primer. This is their Too Faced Hangover RX primer. It's a really nice moisturizing primer. I love this primer. It is also almost done, so this is where I drew the line at. It's a little bit hard to tell where I'm at, but I think this is all that I have left. Again, I'm not sure how long this will take, if it will take a couple months or go pretty quickly, but again, this is something I want to use 20 times. And I just want to use this because it is older in my collection. I really do like it. And I would probably consider repurchasing it. I got this on sale for like 50% off. So if I find it again on sale for 50% off, I would definitely pick it up. And then the next one is something that I'm rolling over from my project pan in last year. And it is a setting spray. It is the L'Oreal Lumi. And I started last year, so I have marks from last year, but this year I am starting at this line. So again, I don't have that much to finish, but I still think this will take at least a couple months to finish off. So I just like to get that out of my collection. Again, it's something that's a little bit older. I've probably had it for at least a year and a half. The next product is a powder, and it's just this mini powder from Becca. This is the one that's supposed to feel cooling on your face. I got this as like a point perk at Sephora. There isn't a lot of powder in here. I haven't used it that much, but I drew a line right there. That's about how much I have. It's kind of hard to track progress on a loose powder. But I got this, and then I got another like mini hourglass one as a point perk. So I just like to use these up. I don't use a lot of powder. I really only use this to set my under eyes. So again, this is something that even though there's not a lot of powder, it could possibly take me quite a while just because I use so little of it. But again, I just want to get these little ones out of my collection so then I can start working on my big setting powders, which again will take me forever, especially the loose ones because I use so little of them. But I want to use this one at least 15 times before the next update. The next product is this blush. It is just a mini size of the Benefit Dandelion blush, and I am wearing, I think, almost all of these products on my face today, but this is a really pretty light pink blush. I do have to like build it up quite a bit. I used to like a really subtle blush, but now I kind of like a bolder blush look. But this is what it looks like right now. It does not have a lot of use on it, but again, it's a mini, and my goal is going to be to try to hit pan on it. But it is like a rolling style pan, so if I get too sick of this and I can't hit pan on it, I might roll it out. We will have to see. I'm not sure that this blush will really show up very well on me in the summer, so I might have to roll something else in for the summer and then come back to this, but I want to work on that and get more use out of it. And again, this is something that's older in my collection, and again, I want to use this at least 10 times before the next update. The next thing is another product I'd like to try to hit pan on, and it is a highlighter. It is the Super Glow Highlighter from Natasha Denona. And again, I've had this for like 2 years, and it barely looks used. I really like this highlight, but there is so much product in this. This is gonna be really hard to pan, but I want to try. And this one I want to use at least 10 times before the next update. I'm kind of thinking now that my usage goals might be kind of low, but I am planning to do the Partners in Cream project pan where I also have a cream blush and a cream highlight. So we'll see how it goes. The next thing I have is a bronzer, and it is my Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. I have mine in the shade Light Bronzer, and I already have pretty good pan on this. But again, this is something that's a little bit older, so I would like to get more of this product used up. This year, I think I'm going to switch my bronzers out like quarterly, or I don't know, something like that. But I want to get more use on this, so I just want to expand the pan. And again, this is something I'll probably roll out before it's completely finished, but I would like to at least expand the pan pretty significantly. And I want to use that at least 15 times before the next update. The next product is another rollover from last year, and it is my Clinique lip liner. This is in the shade Bamboo. I love this lip liner. There is so little of this left. So yeah, I think this will still take me at least a couple of months, I'm thinking. But I would like to finish that. And I did draw a line so I can keep track. That's what it looks like, so that's how much left I have. The next product is something that has been in a project pan before, and it is my NYX Butter Gloss, and mine is in the shade Madeline. This is probably the oldest lip gloss I have in my collection, and I really love the formula, and I like the color. It doesn't always look the best over a super nude lipstick. It tends to pull a little orange. So we'll see how this goes, but I drew a line, and I have about half of this left. There's a lot of product in this, and I know people that have panned these before have said that they are really difficult to pan, but yeah, I still want to try to finish this. And I wasn't getting any product out, so I took the stopper out and moved the product around. And now I definitely have like a ton left still. So I'm glad that I did that. I did put the stopper back in because it got really messy. So I might just have to take it out when I can't get any more off again, but that's where I'm starting with this one. The next one is kind of a rollover from my Pan That palette last year. I ended up working on 2 palettes last year, and I didn't get very far on this one. It is the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and I'd like to hit pan on 3 shades. I'm just counting this as 1, even though I'm working on 3 shades, but the 3 shades I want to hit pan on are Peaches in Cream, which does have a good dip. I want to hit pan on Georgia, which also has a dip, and then Luscious, which again has a dip, but not, these are so hard to hit pan on. So that's why I want to roll them over from last year. And then I have kind of like an extra product I just like to throw in. And this again is a rollover from last year, and it is my Bath & Body Works Fragrance Mist and Japanese Cherry Blossom. This is so old, but it still smells good. It's really strong though, so that's why it's taking me so long to pan, because unlike most mists, you can spray like 3 or 4 to 5 times, and this one you only need 1 spray. But this is where I'm starting, so there's not a whole lot left. Again, I think this will take me at least 2 months to finish. So those are all the projects. I didn't want to put in too many eyeshadows again, because I am going to have an eyeshadow in my Partners in Cream, and I'm also going to be doing a different eyeshadow project pan. So I'm working on quite a few eyeshadows. I think my goal would be to at least hit 10 new pans, which I think I did. I think I hit 10 pans last year. So I should be able to do that. And that is all I have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you give this video a like and subscribe to my channel so you can see my other project pans and the update for this project. And I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.